Welcome to our newest listing, 2243 Southeast Rock Springs Drive in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Constructed in 2022, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home was crafted for both energy efficiency and comfort. Picture yourself hosting gatherings in its open floor plan with soaring volume ceilings and tranquil canal views. Efficiency is at the forefront with Energy Star appliances, Moen water-saving fixtures, and double-pane insulated low-E windows. Spanning 2,069 square feet of living space, this residence ensures privacy with its thoughtfully designed split floor plan. Perfect for a future pool, the additional ensuite bath has direct access to the lanai. Ideally situated in eastern Port St. Lucie, this home is just a 5-minute drive or a leisurely 15-minute bicycle ride to Savannah's Preserve State Park. Enjoy easy access to the Green River Parkway, ideal for strolls and bike rides. Enjoy the shops and restaurants of downtown Jensen Beach, only a 10-minute drive away. For beach lovers, Jensen Beach Park awaits less than 15 minutes from your doorstep. And on the horizon, the Port District on the St. Lucie River is under construction, just a short 15-minute drive away. Contact us to schedule your viewing today.